Good morning, students. In this video lecture, we are going to see the assignment problem number 5. External plane or lamina is given, side is given as 30 mm, rests on HP on one of its side. The resting part is side resting on HP. Side is resting on HP, which is and is perpendicular to VP, and the surface of the lamina. Surface of the plane is inclined to HP. Surface is inclined to HP at 45 degree. So surface inclination is inclined to HP at 45 degree. Surface is inclined 45 degree to HP. The lamina is rotated through 90 degrees such that the side on HP, that is resting side, is parallel to VP. Now, the edge inclination is not given. Now, look at the problem here. It's an external plane. One of the side is lying on HP, and the surface of the plane is inclined 45 degree to HP. Now, what they are saying is, I am getting one top view. The top view I am going to rotate through 90 degree so that the resting side is parallel to VP. Now, this is a resting side. Now, look at my hand. This side is resting on HP. I am getting the apparent top view. This top view I am going to rotate through 90 degree so that this resting side is parallel to VP. So whatever the top view I am getting here, that top view only I am going to rotate through 90 degree so that side, the resting side, is parallel to VP without changing this HP inclination. That is, HP inclination is maintained the same 45 degree. Now look at this. The HP inclination is 45 degree. I am going to rotate this top view through 90 degree so that the same angle 45 degree will be maintained. Also, this resting side is now parallel to VP in the final diagram. Okay. Now, the edge inclination is not given here, but condition given is resting edge is parallel to VP. Resting side is parallel to VP. That means what will be the resting side inclination? This resting side is parallel to VP means the angle of the edge inclination is 0. Okay, resting side is parallel to VP. Like that, I am going to rotate the top view. Now, instead of giving resting edge is inclined 45 degree to VP, now it is given that resting side is parallel to VP. Okay. Now, surface is inclined to HP. When the surface inclined to HP, we are going to assume that surface parallel to HP. When the surface is inclined to HP, we are going to assume that surface parallel to HP and start with the top view. The top view, there are two possibilities available, two orientations available. Which one we have to keep? Which part of the plane is lying on HP? The side is lying on HP. The first case, when you maintain one side here, when you rotate the front view, side will be lying on HP. The second case, when you maintain one corner at the left side of the top view, when you rotate the front view, this corner is going to lie on HP. So as per the given condition, the orientation should be first one, because one of the side is lying on HP. That's what the condition given. Now draw the perpendicular line. On this line, maintain one base side as 30 mm. Now with the 60-degree inclination, draw the hexagonal plane. So when you look front view, A, B, C will be visible. E available behind the B will not be visible. F is available behind the corner point A will not be visible. Now the surface plane is inclined 45 degree to HP. Now you mark one point here and draw one 45 degree inclined line. Transfer the front view. Measure the front view length. Same notation we are going to transfer. This front view length we are going to transfer here. So this will be C1 dash. Then measure A1 dash to, A dash to B dash. B1 dash and E1 dash. So plane is inclined 45 degree to HP. In this question, I am going to draw the apparent top view. Extend the corner points A. Both the corner points A will be intersecting together, forming A1. Likewise, you have to form all the intersection points. Extend B1 and B1 dash. This will be B1. Extend C, corner point C, and C1 dash. Then extend corner point D, and D is available here. D1. Then extend the corner point E. Then extend the corner point F. So join all the corner points. Now enclose the top view inside the rectangle. So for this, I am going to give the notation 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now what are the conditions given? The resting side is parallel to VP. Now which one is the resting side? Whatever the side you are going to give at the initial position. This AF is this AF side A1 F1 is lying on HP. So when you rotate this top view, I am going to rotate this top view through 90 degree in such a way that this A1 F1 is parallel to VP or parallel to XY line. I am going to rotate this top view through 90 degree. That's what the condition given. Here you are getting one top view. So without changing this angle with the HP, I am going to rotate this plane so that angle with the HP will be maintained constant. At the same time, this edge resting side becomes parallel to VP in the final diagram. Now make this side AF parallel to VP or XY line in the final diagram. Just rotate this top view through 90 degree. Okay. So this is 1, 4. Make side 1, 4 horizontal so that it becomes parallel to VP. Through this, draw the vertical perpendicular lines. Now transfer 1 and 2. 1 and 2 here. Similarly, transfer 4 to 3. Now transfer all the corner points in the rotated rectangle. Now measure 4 A1. A and F available on line 4, 1. 4 to A1. this gap we have to measure and transfer on 4, 1. This will be A2. Then 1, F1. Measure this gap 1, F1 and transfer here. Now B available on 4, 3. So 4, 3 available here. 4B1. Transfer on 4, 3. Then C and D available on 3, 2. C and D have to transfer on 3, 2. So measure 3C1 and transfer here. Then measure 2D1 and transfer here. The E available on 2, 1. 2, 1 you have to transfer E. Measure 2E1 and transfer here. Now join all the points. Now the side A2, this resting side AF, the side AF is parallel to VP. Like that I rotated the top view through 90 degrees. Now using the projection, draw the final front view. So this will be A2 dash, B2 dash, C2 dash, D2 dash, E2 dash, and F2 dash. So this will be your final front view. Now, after completing the diagram, you check out surface inclined at 45 degree to HP. That will be available in the second diagram. One of the side rests on HP. Side is resting on HP. So whatever the thing, either side or corner you are keeping here, that will rest on HP. So AF, side AF is lying on the XY line. That means side AF is lying on HP. Or from this final diagram, you can clearly see A2 dash, F2 dash lying on the XY line. That means side AF is resting on HP. The same side AF is parallel to VP in the final diagram. That's what given here. The resting side is parallel to VP. That condition is also satisfied. Okay.